Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this breathing again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Today's meditation will focus on what's good, the things that are going well for us, the things in our life that are good. Strangely, as you do this, sometimes your brain might go crashing into negative or sad things when it hears this question. But try to change the direction of these thoughts and really focus on the positive. Focus on what's good instead. Let's start with thinking of something recent. What is something that has happened to you recently, or good news that you've received recently, that is good, that makes you happy? Now, think of what's good about you. What is something good about being you? What is something else that is good about you, or about being you? Think of one more thing. What is one more thing that's good about being you? What's good about your home? What's something you really enjoy about your home or in your house? What's good about the people in your life? Who are the people you really love and appreciate? What's good about their life? What's going well for them? What's good about your life? What is something else that's good about your life? our lives are filled with good stuff if we only keep our eye out for it. Take a moment now to relax and keep making a mental list of what's good in your life. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.